What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am talking all about gifts, and I'd venture to say most people enjoy getting gifts. So today's video is going to be all about my best tips on how to purchase a gift for a loved one, a significant other, your kids, friends, family, whoever it is that you are buying for the holidays that is going to leave a lasting impression that you know they are going to love. And before we get started with this gift giving guide, I want you guys to stop and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure to hit that little bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. If you're interested in finding out my best tips on gift giving, then definitely keep watching. In this video, I am making my debut of my darker hair, you guys. I went back to my natural hair color. I did a poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you guys, please head over there right now. I do lots of fun giveaways and just super fun stuff. I did a poll. It ended up 55 to 45 for people that wanted all one color in my hair versus the highlights that I had. I'll leave what I colored my hair with in the description box. I did it at home. I did it myself, so I'll leave all that information down there for you. Let's go ahead and jump on into this gift giving guide. My first tip would be to find out that person's love language. I absolutely love the book, The 5 Love Languages. It definitely made a huge impact in my marriage and in my relationship with my kids. Everyone operates in all 5 love languages, but we all have that one that we operate in the most. They are acts of service, physical touch, gift giving is actually one of them, quality time, words of encouragement. Those are the 5 love languages. I think it's really cool to be able to kind of pinpoint whoever it is that you're purchasing for, what their love language is, and then try to find a gift that kind of fits with their love language. For me, if mine is quality time, get me a gift card to a nice restaurant and let's just have like a dinner date where it's just me and my husband and we can just have that one-on-one quality time. Or if it's a friend, maybe buying tickets to the escape room, one of those little things where you work together, you're spending time together, you're solving a puzzle. Dancing lessons would be something super fun for someone whose love language is quality time. If their love language is physical touch, maybe doing like a personalized coupon book where you'll give them a massage or a foot rub or something like that. Obviously that would be more for like a significant other, but something like that would be a good gift for someone who operates in the realm of physical touch. If your loved one operates in the love language of words of encouragement, maybe getting them a special wall hanging or something for their office that has maybe a quote that represents who they are, or even like a personalized letter from you that's heartfelt of you telling them why you're thankful for them. Something like that is going to leave a lasting impression. I'm gonna have a quiz linked in the description box where you can click it and you can take the quiz and you will be able to find out what your love language is or that of a significant other. My next tip is to, of course, purchase things that you know they love and appreciate. If the person that you're purchasing for loves to cook, then buying them a new cooking gadget is something that would be awesome. If they love sports or play golf, then get them something related to the sport that they love. You don't have to think too hard about it. You know that they're gonna love it because that is what they're into. For me, I'm into beauty and makeup, and so I, of course, absolutely love anything that has to do with the beauty world, which brings me to a special portion of this video that is sponsored by Color Science. If you know someone that is into beauty, skincare related type of stuff, they will love this for the holidays. Color Science just released a limited edition Refresh and Renew kit. This kit has 4 of their best-selling items. It comes in this nice little bag. I just want to go over what comes in it. Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. This product has an SPF of 35. It goes underneath of the eyes and it's got like a salmon color undertone to it, so it really helps to kind of get rid of any dark circles. It also has anti-aging benefits in it. I use this product every single morning. If I'm doing like a no makeup look, I'll reach for this. Then they have their hydrating mist, which is a mist that you can use to help hydrate your skin. You can use it to help set your makeup. You can use it to help refresh your makeup throughout the day. Next product is their eye and brow kit, and the brush is not in here because I left it over there on my desk after using it. You can use this to fill in your brows. You can use this as an eyeshadow palette. It's a great neutral eyeshadow palette. Last but not least, you get this Color Science Lip Shine that also has an SPF of 35. I cannot let the sun touch my lips or I will end up with a fever blister, so I live off of these. It is the color Scarlet. This is a color that they just came out with for the holidays. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a super quick tutorial using these items so that you can see them in action. It is a value of $145, but right now you can get this whole kit for $125. Color Science has also given me a discount code, which is right here on the screen, Refresh TGB. And what this discount code gets you is a deluxe size bronzing perfector from Color Science with the purchase of this kit. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for this kit and this deal, and that way you can check it out for yourself. My next tip, this is all about their personality. And again, there is a quiz that you can take for this, so I'm gonna have that linked in the description box as well. The one that I really like is it's all about jewels. There's an emerald, pearl, ruby, and sapphire personality. I'm definitely a mix of pearl and sapphire. If someone is an emerald, they love organization, they love systems. Something that you could get them is a really nice organizer, year planner, or organizer for the following year. For a pearl, pearls are motivated by purpose. They're motivated by things that are bigger than themselves. So donating to one of their favorite charities is something that would be really, really cool. I feel like being a pearl that we really love personalized gifts. So anything that you really have to think about, take a little extra time, are things that really touch our heart. For a ruby personality, they like things that are a little bit finer in life. They like the bigger gifts, the more expensive gifts, probably something like a spa gift card, maybe a gift card to have a massage, getting tickets to a big event that they want to attend. You might have to work some extra hours for the ruby, but it'll be worth it because they'll love the gift that you give them. I'm also partly sapphire, and sapphires are really motivated by fun. Anything that kind of brings on the fun. Also think adventure for sapphire. So we like to do things that are kind of out of the box, out of the norm. Maybe rock climbing, again, dance lessons, something like that is super fun, a little bit out of the box. For a sapphire, you could get them something like a karaoke machine so that you guys can have a karaoke night with some friends and family. Anything that's going to kind of bring on the fun, sapphires absolutely love. I think you get the idea that it's really cool to kind of know their personality, what they really enjoy, and then buy a gift that's kind of related to their personality type. This next tip is to start a new tradition with your loved one, your spouse, your significant other. Creating memories is really what life is all about. Something that I did a few years ago, and I, was like, I don't know, they're probably gonna think that it's cheesy, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I just took this little jar. Obviously, I would do it a lot different now, but this was many years ago. And I just decorated the little jar, put a little bow on it, and I called it Our Jar of Blessings. Throughout the year, me, my husband, and my 3 daughters, we would write when there was something that blessed us. So it could be about another person in the family, or it could be something that was just a blessing in your life, something that, like a milestone, or anything that you think is a blessing. You put the date on it and then put it in the jar. On Christmas, we would empty all of the blessings out, and each of us would grab a handful, and you had to read whichever ones were in your hand. So it may be your own that you were reading, or it may be someone else's that you were reading. It was the most memorable thing that we've probably done. It can get very, very emotional because you'll have things in this blessing jar that you forgot happened. What better time than on Christmas or around the holidays to be reminded of all of the blessings in your life? Having something like this in your house is just so special, and again, it's just a great reminder of how blessed we really are. I would highly recommend getting a little jar and have that blessings jar throughout the year to write your blessings on. Even though when I was growing up I had a very dysfunctional childhood, there were still things that I remember that we would do at the holidays every single year that was a tradition for us, and those things are the memories that have lasted me my entire life. Creating traditions and creating memories with your family and your loved ones is so important. You can give the gift of a new tradition to your family this year and it won't cost you a dime. At the end of the day, it does not matter how much a gift costs. If you've put thought into it and you give it with love, that person receiving that gift, they're gonna feel that love and they're gonna respond in the same manner. Of course, remember the reason for the season this year and not get caught up in all of the material things, because all of those things are going to pass away, but the memories and the love that you are surrounded with is the things that is going to last forever. And with that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment letting me know what you're looking forward to this holiday season. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.